Have you ever zoomed in on a photo? The picture gets bigger, but everything keeps the same shape. That's the idea behind similar figures. Similar figures are shapes that have the exact same shape, but different sizes. Their angles are equal, and their sides are in proportion. Rule 1. All matching angles must be equal. If angle A equals angle D, angle B equals angle E, and angle C equals angle F, the shapes could be similar. Rule 2. All matching sides must have the same ratio. This ratio is called the scale factor. Think of it like a recipe. If you double one ingredient, you double them all. Example 1. Are these triangles similar? Let's check the ratios of matching sides. 4/6, 6/9, 8/12. Each ratio simplifies to 2/3. All ratios are equal, so the triangles are similar. The scale factor is 2/3. Example 2, a bit harder. These triangles are similar. Find the missing side x. First, find the scale factor using the sides we know. Five over 15 gives 1/3. So x over 12 equals 1/3. Multiply both sides by 12. X equals 4. Common mistake. Students check only angles and forget to check side ratios. You must check both conditions. Equal angles alone is not enough for all shapes. Remember SAS, same angles, same scale. Two figures are similar when all angles match and all side ratios are equal. That's your exam secret. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning.